Hi folks, I'm Ian Baker, and today I want to go over a portion of the Keystone Springdale line. Today, we're going to cover only the single axle travel trailers. Not only are they great as conventional introductory campers, but they're good for those who just want to get outdoors and have some fun. Most of the Springdale single axles are just over 21 feet in length, with one of them nearly 23 feet. In dry weight, they'll range from just over 3,300 pounds up to just under 4,200, making them towable by not only half-ton trucks, but several SUVs or vans.
There are 7 floor plans in the Springdale single axle line, with 3 of them being couple-centric rear bath models. Let's start with those.
The first one is the 1700 FQ. Perfect for 2 people, the 1700 has the bath along the rear wall. A full queen bed is centered up front, flanked by closet space. A convertible dinette sits across from a straight-line kitchen, and the kitchen has an under-counter fridge. The next pair of rear bath models both have a slide. The first of the 2 is the 1790 FQ. This one is similar to the 1700 FQ, however, the 1790 switches the positions of the kitchen and dinette, adds a standalone fridge, plus has a dinette in the slide. The 1860 SS, our final rear bath model, spans nearly 23 feet. It pushes the queen bed into the front corner and expands the living area slide to include both the dinette and a sofa. A larger slide really creates a lot of room. You'll find the back wall shares the bathroom, a pantry, and a wardrobe. The 1860 also has a standalone fridge. Next up, I'll go through the only rear living model among the Springdale single axle trailers, the 1750 RD. This travel trailer also pushes the queen bed into the front corner. However, on the back wall sits a large U-shaped dinette perfect for entertaining friends or family. The bathroom is moved up next to the queen bed, and the efficient straight-line kitchen is located on the campsite.
Now comes the only single axle Springdale toy hauler, the 1720TH. Brand new, the 1720TH is a very efficient toy hauler for those who want to get away with their camping companion and a couple dirt bikes. You'll find a 6.5 feet garage area, a fold-down sofa in the garage space, and a queen bed up front.
The final 2 Springdale single axle models are both bunk models. The 1760BH has a pair of twin bunks stacked in the rear corner and a dinette on a slide. The bunks share a rear wall with the bathroom. The 1760BH also has a corner queen bed and a standalone fridge. Like the 1760, the 1800BH has the bunks in the rear corner and a similar bathroom layout. The 1800, however, forgoes a slide, setting the dinette next to the corner queen bed. The kitchen is campside and includes an under-counter fridge. Both bunk models are capable of sleeping up to 5. Keystone Springdale single axle travel trailers have a few features I'd like to point out. On the exterior, they have an awning, stabilizer jacks, a one-piece fully walkable TPO roof, Dexter Easy Lube axles, diamond plate rock guard, and extended rain gutters. Inside, you'll find LED lighting, Bluetooth multimedia center with DVD player, recessed cooktop with a glass top, and a minimum 8,000 BTU AC, with most coming with a 13,500 BTU unit. The Keystone Springdale is a solid introductory camper for those new to RV camping, and a great choice for those who want to get outdoors and have some serious fun.